Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Greetings to all. I am Harshita of class 8-Tungabh studying at Gnyana Sudha Vidyalaya, Bidar. I am here to speak a few words on the International Democracy Day. In 2007, United Nations General Assembly resolved to observe 15 September as the International Day of Democracy, with the purpose of promoting and upholding the principles of democracy. Democracy is a system of government where power is held by people, either directly or through elected representatives. The core principles of democracy include the rule of law, human rights and fundamental freedoms, and the popular sovereignty, ensuring that the government rests with the people through free and fair elections. We live in a world where democracy focuses on numerous challenges. Populism and nationalism threaten the very foundations of democracy. Disinformation and inequality undermine the trust that democracy relies on. Yet, despite these challenges, democracy remains the best system of governance humanity has devised. It provides framework for resolving conflicts peacefully, promoting social justice, and protecting individual rights and freedoms. It allows citizens to participate in the decision-making process, hold leaders, and shape the future of the country. We must honor the struggles and sacrifices of those who have fought for democratic rights and freedoms. We also acknowledge the progress that has been made in advancing democratic values and principles. We celebrate the expansion of democracy to more countries, the increased citizen participation and engagement, and the growing recognition of the importance of human rights and the rule of law. Every year, International Day of Democracy has a specific theme. For 2025, the theme is Artificial Intelligence as a Tool for Good Governance. This year's theme focuses on the importance of artificial intelligence, AI, in promoting good governance and strengthening democratic institutions and processes, ensuring that they are transparent, accountable, and responsive to the needs of citizens. We must promote civic education and critical thinking, empowering citizens to participate fully in democratic life. We must address the root causes of inequality, injustice, and exclusion, recognizing that democracy is only as strong as its weakest link. In conclusion, International Democracy Day is a celebration of power of democracy to transform lives, communities, and societies. It is a reminder that democracy is a journey, not a destination, and that it requires constant effort and commitment. On this day, let us commit ourselves to the values and principles of democracy, and let us work together to build a democratic world for all. Thank you.